How to add a YouTube channel to your Roblox profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about adding a YouTube channel to your Roblox profile. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser. Go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, click on the gear icon in the top right, and from the drop-down menu, go to Settings. Now under Settings, scroll down to the Social Networks section that you will find below the account location. And there you will see the section of Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and Guilded. For this video, we are trying to add the link of the YouTube channel. So now go to youtube.com, go to your profile page, and from the top URL box, simply go ahead and copy, come back to Roblox, and paste it in the YouTube section. Now tap on Save. Click on OK, and you'll be done. Now your YouTube channel is linked to your Roblox profile. You can view it on your profile page as well. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.